Hello, welcome to Smart Data Learners, our YouTube channel. Today we are starting our new series of tutorials that is basically revolves around the SAP Crystal reports. Today we will start with the SAP Crystal reports basics. Uh, So to complete the exercises, you need a very basic understanding of the crystal report's environment. Crystal report is structured similarly to the Microsoft applications with menu, tools, bars, and work area. We will today we will start with some basic reports, uh, so that just to give you an overview how this tool is useful in understanding the data, presenting the data, analyzing the data. So let's begin. At number one, we will start with creating a list report, right? So let's create a new standard report. We will use our data set. For this data set, we have already created a detailed tutorial in Microsoft Access. So I will provide the link for that. So let's begin. So let's start with how to create a new data set. So we will go here. We'll see that it's create a new connection, and in this connections we will use OLEDB. This option. Make a new connection, and here we will use Microsoft Access, and it will go to our place where we have resided our database. It's created now. We will have to bring some tables. So books table, books transactions table, business entity type. We need a course table, master transactions table, and transaction underscore type. So we brought in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tables. Number one, books transactions, business entity, business entity type, courses, master transactions, and transaction underscore type. So we have these, we selected from here, and these are now here, and then we'll go to the next. This data model is already defined in Microsoft Access, but it will, you see here, we will have all these relationships here. Okay, so we'll go to the next, and we will select some fields. You see here available fields and fields to display. If you go and here you see we need a book title, author name, maybe we will import few fields which we think are important for this. Then we will have the books transaction, transaction date. You can take a book ID, quantity sold or purchase, purchase price, and then we will have a business entity. And then we also have the business entity type. We can hear the course name, master transaction. We can get master transaction ID, that would be helpful, and then transaction type underscore name. So we have a lot of fields here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is our first report. Here we will not do anything. We will just make a list report. The list report will show all the records. We don't want to use the filter. It's a basic report. We'll finish it. Since these are, we'll make it broader. Page setup and make it a landscape. So moving is a bit tricky. Okay, we can do that. So you see, we are in the design mode. We have two views, like design and preview. We can go to the design and preview mode. Let's do that because there is a spacing. There is one way to do that also, is like this, just like this, and then okay. So we have these. This is a course name. purchase price. These are quantity sold or purchased. Okay, viewers. So that's how we have created our first list report. So there is a lot of room to improve all of these fields. So in this tutorial, we will just focus on what we have already accomplished. There are a lot of other operations we can do that, but that will be in the second video. But in this video, as a part of our tutorial, that only we brought the data into the crystal reports and make a simple list report, right? And we can further format these, their titles. Like for example, this one is books ID. So we can, let's see, we can ID and we can make it center. We can do the same thing with that. Quantity sold, we can make it bigger. Okay, quantity sold or sold purchase. Make this center. Looks much better. transaction date, person name, business, entity type, course name. You see, this is the basic report we have done. The main goal is to show you the basic work area, how this crystal reports environment works, and in the coming tutorial, we will further format it, further do some operations, grouping, filtering, and all that. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you very much and have a great day. Stay tuned to our channel for next tutorials uh, for further advanced operations on this. Thank you.